If you'd like to see more flower arrangements like this Mother's Day arrangement, please subscribe to my channel. All our social media links are in the description. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be making a Mother's Day arrangement. You will need a vase and some cabbage roses. On to the video. I'll put it down like that. So we'll cut it about like that. I'll show you. Right before that notch. Right there. And let me cut it some more. Now I'm going to separate these two. So I'm going to cut this right at that stem where it joins. See, you cut it at the stem where it joins. That way we can put it in like this. We'll get some more flowers. You can cut these a little bit more to adjust it. Now that you got them to the length that you want, see, that's how tall I cut them. You just put them in and arrange them. There we go. There we go. And if you want to get some baby's breath, I got some baby breath in the other room. I'm going to add a little bit to it. And you just put in a little bit of the baby's breath, a few sprigs. I'll show you how it looks like as it's done. This is what it looks like done. Thank you for watching.